Welcome to our review of the dash cam. A dash cam is a small camera that is mounted on the dashboard of your car and records everything that happens while you're driving. It's like having a second set of eyes on the road. In this video, we will be reviewing some of the best dash cams available in the market. We will be discussing their features, pros, and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for you. Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out which dash cam we recommend and why. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam. This dash cam is a great option for rideshare drivers who need photographic evidence in case of any damage to their car. It has been picked by Wirecutter, CNET, Business Insider, BGR, and many more. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam has two lenses that capture the road front 170 degrees and inside passenger cabin 140 degrees in crystal details at dual 1920 by 1080p 30 fps. The front and inside cameras work simultaneously, which is a great feature for rideshare drivers. When recording in front-only mode, footage is captured at 2.5K 2560x1440p at 30 fps, which enables clear license plates and road signs. You can also switch to 1920x1080p at 60 fps mode for smoother videos for high-speed traffic. The interior-facing camera utilizes 4IR LED lights and f2.0 aperture, which can handle low light conditions and ensures flawless video footage even when the passenger cabin is dark. The front-facing camera has an f1.86 glass lens and unique HDR video system that automatically balances the light and dark areas of the video. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam has a 24-hour motion-activated parking mode that automatically records when it detects motion. It also has an auto start and record feature when the ignition sparks up. The auto LCD off timer ensures you won't be disturbed by another glowing rectangle on your windshield. It's ideal for most climates, -4 degrees to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees to 70 degrees Celsius. The built-in microphone provides excellent audio recording. The time-lapse function automatically takes photos at specific intervals. In conclusion, the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam is a great investment for rideshare drivers. It has a lot of features that make it stand out from other dash cams on the market. It's easy to install and use, and it provides excellent video footage. We highly recommend it. Number 4. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH Plus with 32GB micro SD card. This dash cam is a great option for those who want to capture high-quality videos of their driving experience. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH Plus with 32GB micro SD card is a dash cam that captures 4K ultra-high-definition videos. It is perfect for those who want to capture every detail of their driving experience. The dash cam has several features that make it stand out from other dash cams in the market. The following are some of the features that we found most impressive. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH Plus captures ultra-crisp videos, not just on 4K monitors. You can be sure that every detail of your driving experience is captured in high quality. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH Plus seamlessly pairs with the BlackVue app. You can easily view and download your videos on your smartphone. The dash cam comes with Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity. You can also opt for LTE connectivity if you want to connect to the cloud. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH Plus has a native parking mode. You can be sure that your car is protected even when you are not around. The dash cam comes with BlackVue Cloud. You can easily connect to the cloud and access your videos from anywhere. In conclusion, the BlackVue DR900X-2CH Plus with 32GB micro SD card is a great option for those who want to capture high-quality videos of their driving experience. It has several features that make it stand out from other dashcams in the market. We highly recommend this dashcam to anyone who wants to capture every detail of their driving experience. Number 3. The Thinkware Q800PRO car dash cam. This onboard camera is a great addition to your car, providing you with a sense of security and peace of mind while driving. In this video, we will be discussing the features of this dash cam, its pros and cons, and our overall thoughts on it. The Thinkware Q800PRO car dash cam is a 2.5K 2560x1440p QHD camera with a 140 degrees wide-angle lens. It comes with a G sensor, Sony sensor, parking mode, Wi-Fi GPS, night vision, and loop recording. The item package dimensions are 7.086614166L x 5.118110231W x 3.937007878 inches, and it weighs 1.7 pounds. The camera's 2.5K resolution provides clear and crisp footage, making it easy to identify license plates and other details. The 140 degrees wide-angle lens captures a wide field of view, ensuring that you don't miss anything important. The G sensor detects any sudden movements or impacts and automatically saves the footage, preventing it from being overwritten. The parking mode is a great feature that allows the camera to continue recording even when the car is parked. The Wi-Fi GPS feature allows you to track your car's location and speed, and the night vision ensures that you get clear footage even in low-light conditions. However, the camera's size may be a bit bulky for some users, and the installation process can be a bit tricky. The camera also requires a hard-wiring kit for parking mode, which is sold separately. Overall, the Thinkware Q800PRO car dashcam is a great investment for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality dashcam. Its features make it a great choice for anyone who wants to ensure their safety while driving. However, its size and installation process may be a bit of a hassle for some users. Number 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. This tiny dash cam is perfect for those who want a simple and discreet device that records high-quality footage. In this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts on the Mini 2, its features and performance. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a car key-size dash camera that records 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp detail day and night. The wide 140-degree lens captures a broad view of the road ahead, ensuring that you don't miss any important details. The camera mounts discreetly behind your rearview mirror and goes virtually unnoticed, automatically recording and saving video of incidents. The Mini 2 comes with a 16GB micro SD card and adapter included, so you don't have to worry about purchasing one separately. The parking guard feature requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology. You can access it via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. It monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if an incident is detected. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. You can also access the camera remotely for live view monitoring when you're away from your parked car. This feature requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology. You can access it via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. The Mini 2 has a durable design that withstands harsh vehicle environments, including direct sunlight and hot temperatures. You can get more awareness around your vehicle using the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone to view video from up to 4 dash cams, sold separately. Overall, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a great choice for those who want a simple and discreet dash cam that records high-quality footage. Its compact size makes it easy to install and remove, and the parking guard feature provides added security for your parked vehicle. If you're in the market for a new dashcam, I highly recommend checking out the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Number 1. The Nextbase 622GB dashcam and 32GB microSD memory card bundle. This dashcam is a great investment for anyone who wants to ensure their safety on the road. Let's dive into the features of this dashcam. The 622GB dashcam features a new image stabilization system which greatly diminishes the effect vibrations from your vehicle and bumps in the road have on your footage quality. This means when you play back 622GB footage, it will be very steady and finer details, such as number plates, have never been easier to make out. The 622GB records in top-of-the-range 4K quality. This means that you can capture every detail of your journey in stunning clarity. Whether you're driving through the countryside or the city, you'll be able to see everything in crystal clear detail. The 622 gigawatts dashcam has dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the latter of which has never been featured in a dashcam. What does this mean for you? You will have the fastest transfer speeds possible, allowing you to download footage from your 622 gigawatts onto your phone quicker than ever. Fog is a major cause of road traffic incidents in the UK, and the ability to see through fog could prove vital in identifying vehicles and number plates where you wouldn't be able to without this feature. Whether you are involved in or witness an incident in foggy conditions, this is the only dashcam which will defog the footage. In conclusion, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts dashcam and 32 gigabytes micro SD memory card bundle is a great investment for anyone who wants to ensure their safety on the road. With its image stabilization, 4K recording, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and defogging features, you'll be able to capture every detail of your journey in stunning clarity. Thanks for watching this video. I hope the video will be useful for you. Subscribe the channel, never miss update from us. We'll be seen in the next video. Take care, bye.